So in this lecture, we will learn how to create charts with just one click. So creating a chart is easy, but important part is that it has to be meaningful. Right now, we will just learn how to create a chart, but in later videos, we will learn how to make them meaningful. So to create a chart, you just have to insert a chart. So we have this data and this has two columns, month and sales record. Or if I want to represent this data in form of a chart, I just have to select this data and Google Sheet will automatically create a chart out of this data. So I have to insert chart. So go to insert and use chart. So as you can see, Google has automatically represented this table into this chart, which is column chart. And if you can see that the columns, which is months and sales, Google has automatically defined that months table has to be horizontal and sales table has to be vertical. And this is the best representation of this table. So Google has automatically shown you that how can you represent this data. Though you can change this representation if you want. You can change it from column chart to line chart. You can change it to area chart, or if you want to change it to some other chart as well, you can do it. But the best representation of this data is this column chart. And if you want to add more style to it, you can customize it. So go to customize. Here you can style this chart, change the chart or axis title. So if I want to style it, if I want to change the color of this border, as the border color is gray right now, I want it black, I can change it black. I want it red, I can change it to red. Similarly, if I want to change the background color, I can change it as well. So let's say I want background to be gray. So let's use a little gray. So as you can see, gray. Now similarly, if you want this in 3D, let's click 3D. So it is 3D right now. Let's maximize it as well. So it is in maximum area, but it is not looking good. So I will remove the maximize. If you want to change this title, it is sales versus month right now. You can go to chart axis title, change the title from here. If you want sales only, let's use sales. So it is sales now. If you want it in middle, change it to center. It is in middle right now. So you can style it as well, but it is automatic representation. In the coming videos, we will learn how to create the chart from this table from a scratch. So we don't create it automatically using Google's algorithm. We will create it by our own, which is very helpful and it helps us learn as well. So in next video, we will learn how to create a chart from scratch and we will see more customizing option as well. Move to the next video. Thank you.